Hey guys, I'm Terrence, your computer concierge with Computers Plus at 3330 Cobb Parker Street 154 in Acworth, Georgia, and also reminding you of our second location at 3473 Cherokee Street in Kennesaw, Georgia. So today, local, let's go local. That's kind of like Spanish, like not. Let's not go crazy. Well, let's go crazy with the local people in our community. There are so many businesses that have been affected with COVID, with just the whole change and just the whole economic downturn. With a lot of big companies have kind of like got squeezed down, right, Caitlin? They kind of like squeezed down. And so I want to take this time and just thank every local business out there for here in the trenches giving that great customer service to everybody that needs it, right? Everyone needs something that a neighbor, that a friend can give, whether it be your local pizza joint, whether it be your local hardware department, whether it be your local computer repair, whether it be your local hair salon. There are so many hair salons out there that were affected during COVID, and for the ones that are still here right now, I want to give a high five and a amen, because those are some tough parts of that our community went through during those during that downturn of that economic pandemic that we were in. So any business. So I challenge you that are looking right now. If you spend money locally, call up. Maybe there's a lot of bakers out there that like really are masterpieces. I know that because we have customers that are bakers, and I tell you they bring us in sweets, and it's like, I'm trying to lose some, but it's like, so there's a lot of bakers out there. There are a lot of hair salons out there. There are a lot of tattoo artists out there. There are a lot of people that are self-employed that depend on the local people in their community to help continue their business. And when you think about, when people think about, about spending local dollars, that money goes to that owners and those employees, their food, their kids, their car, all those things that we don't really think about when we're spending our local dollars, and what spend local actually means. Shop local, especially Saturday. I know American Express did a big shop local on Saturday before the pandemic, and they were really encouraging people to look at their community. And that's one thing that we do here at Computers Plus is we focus on our local people, our community, a local business that might need that IT support when maybe they don't have the budget to hire a whole IT firm, or maybe that local auto mechanic. We have another auto mechanic named Mike the Mechanic. He's a great guy. He literally will go to your house and fix your car, right? He's been in business for 10 plus years, and this guy is awesome. And he'll literally go to your house and fix on your car and give you a great price, and he's locally. And so those are just some other things that we could be thinking about. As well as if you know somebody that has a local business, because I know a few of them. There's Pinball Portal. I can never say that P word. But there's a great, if you ever get a chance, if you like nostalgia like me and grew up playing like the slot machines, with the pinball machines and all those cool arcade games, Pinball Portal is a place to go. I tell you, you got to go. They're located at the shopping center where the old Best Buy used to be. Now it's Crunch Fitness, and Vape Rings, another thing. Kathy, love you, Kathy, over at Vape Rings. So there are a lot of local businesses here in the community that I challenge you to visit. Don't always go to DoorDash, right? Go down to Guston's. Go down to Guston's and go get you a hamburger or a sandwich. I'm telling you, you're going to fall in love with the place. Or even there is a pizza joint. Generations Pizza over on Acworth McEver. I'm telling you, you got to go to that place. That guy is awesome, and they make a really good pie. And I tell you one thing, and the atmosphere is just amazing. There's another place called Hawaiian Snow Cones. I know this place because they're in Acworth, and my kids, every time we go, but let's go. So I'm like, make one of the best snow cones I've ever had in my life, and they have all these different flavors. My goal, my goal is to have every single flavor on that menu because it's that good. And he's local, and he's an amazing person as well. I never got to meet him, but I tell you, if he's anything like his snow cones, I love him. There are also, tell me some other local places, Caitlin, you're around there. You're from Acworth, right? I've been here for now, 22 years. Caitlin, you look born and raised, right? So Tell me some local places in Acworth that we should tell some people to go visit.
There's Johnny's New York Style Pizza.
Johnny's New York Style Pizza.
The BP up here.
Oh, I've been there. Love that place too.
There's the Brew House just open.
Brew House.
Yeah.
Oh yes, the Brew House.
The Red Top Brewery.
Kennesaw. Off in Acworth, yes. Red Top Brewery, another place, another local guy. There's Marvin Williams. He's local. He's an insurance agent.
JD's Barbecue.
JD's, you ain't say nothing but a word. JD's Barbecue, excellent place. Jay White, he's another person. He's actually a mortgage lender here in Acworth. This guy's amazing. If you get a chance, gets it done fast. Jay White is another person.
Or if you want to go old school, Emerson, Doug's place.
Doug's place?
Doug's place
Oh.
in Emerson.
Okay.
There-
Emerson. We got love for him. I got love for Emerson. Carsville. Daddy's. Remember when Daddy's was in
Yeah.
Acworth? They're over there. Oh, off Acworth due west. I'm just telling you, Daddy's they take Golden Corral's breakfast, and it's not even a comparison. Go to Daddy's, get you some breakfast. Before I forget, there is people like small business, and we forget that there's a lot of photographers out there that are local in Acworth. And I know I found my photographer in Acworth, and I did that by going through Facebook. And I said, Acworth Photography, and pulled up, and we've been using her for the past 9 years. So those are a lot of the good things in Acworth. There's a lot of great things in Acworth and in Kennesaw. And this is a podcast right here. I'm just letting people know that let's go local, let's spin local, let's go local. That means let's go crazy in Spanish.
Yes.
Well, it's the devil. I digress. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. I'm Terrence from Computer Concierge. Remind everybody of what Military Mondays. You get 5% off for all military, all veterans. Thank you for your service. And Wednesday is the day after Tuesday. So I'll come back on Wednesday. See you guys soon. Bye.